you guys want to see what food I'm gonna find today, so please continue to watch my video. Let's go to find with me. Oh, it is not frog, everyone. I don't eat it. I never eat it, so I don't want it. Ooh. Wow. Wow. Ooh, everyone. This is the place where the frog live, everyone. So, frog, everyone. Wow, so big frog. So we try one more place, everyone. Wow! Oh! Oi, everyone, so big frog! Wow! Oh! So big frog! Wow! Oh! I'm so lucky to meet it! So big frog! Wow! It's so big, everyone. I caught 4 frog, everyone. So now we take it to fry on fire. Here is some ingredient that we will add it on our frog. So we have lemongrass, cassava, chili, and also turmeric and galanga. So now we start to mix all of these ingredients together. We heat it. Add a little bit salt for easy to heat. Sugar. Add some cheese. Add some oyster sauce to be more yummy. Soy sauce. Then mix it. Everyone, so now it's the time to fry frog on fire. Wow, this one is so big. Fry it like this. Wow. Oh. Ooh. And then add ingredient on our frog. Ooh. Ooh, we pack our frog, everyone. Wow. add some ingredient on it. It looks like so yummy, even though it's not just already cooked. Wow. Everyone, so now our pork is already cooked, so we take it out of fire. Wow. Eat with me, everyone. The best stuff. Wow. It's really yummy. The best, everyone, the best taste. Everyone, so now the sky is so dark, so it is time to say goodbye. Let me say goodbye, everyone. Goodbye. Thank you for watching my video.